Dafer Jusef, skladatelj in mojster etno-jazz glasbe, je prav mojstersko zaključil letošnji že 29. festival Okarina. Na blejski oder je stopil zadnji, 13. večer in svojo virtuoznostjo navdušil. Mi smo ga uspeli ujeti tik po koncertu. Še pod vtisom množice, ki se je zbrala na blejski promenadi, nam je zaupal, kaj je pravzaprav tisto nekaj čarobnega v njegovi glasbi. Med koncertom je vse zbrane namreč nagovoril z besedami: ali ste še tukaj na zemlji, ali že letite nekje drugje skupaj z nami.
I do music because there is a willing to fly, willing to share with people this music, this vibe. And when I say that, I really mean it. Every time I go on the stage, it's like take off. It's like really going somewhere. Sometimes we succeed, sometimes not, but mostly yes. It depends also on the people, and that's a lot of fun when you see people that really they are with you somewhere in the air.
Prav z gotovostjo lahko rečemo, da mu je na Okarini to uspelo.
I have to say, the festival has a really great public after many years, and I felt like it was really fantastic evening. I'm very proud to be here. I'm very proud of this public.
Pred skoraj 30 leti se je iz Tunizije željo po glasbenem izobraževanju in ustvarjanju preselil v Evropo. Tudi on svoje kariere seveda ni začel na velikih odrih, pač pa v mamini kuhinji. Zase pravi, da je še vedno tisti otrok, ki je pri 6 letih sanjal, da bo nekoč uspešen glasbenik.
This is a dream, so I'm still that child that really living his dream. The difference that I have over 50 years, but still I feel like that child that always hungry and thirsty for music, for doing great projects, and really being on the road with a great musician and share this music with as much as possible people around the world. That's really what every musician can dream of, and I have to say that I'm a lucky man, and I'm still that child that still dream, and I'm also child also in meaning of child. That means I feel like I'm still also crazy a little bit with the musician on the road. We have a lot of joke, and I love it. It's a part of it. People, when they listen to our music, they think that we are really, before the concert, we spend like 3 hours of meditation. It's not about that. I think we are really having fun, but till the moment that we go on the stage, we are still having fun, but we begin the travel somewhere, and from the first note, I think we enter in something special, and I'm very, very happy about that.
How come that you, with your friends on stage, how come that you came together? Because one is from Italy, the other one's from Brazil, one from Norway.
I am the son of this earth. That means for me, I don't see them from Brazil, I don't see them from Norway, or all of them, they're musicians. I don't really care about the origins. Of course, I care somehow, but everybody is there for me as a person with whom I'm sharing. It's as you meet somebody, you meet a girl or a man, and you feel like it works or not. And I love to meet musicians and share with them my story. And they bring, of course, a lot of stories with them. And I'm going back to this sharing. What people feel outside is exactly what we are feeling between us musicians, and that makes sense.
Je mojster igranja uda, predhodnika bolj znane lutnje. Zgodaj je odkril jazz, blizu sta mu tudi indijska in nordijska glasba. Svoje komponiranje pa vključuje prav vse glasbene zvrsti, ki ga inspirirajo.
You know, I'm like a sponge. I'm absorbing, listening to everything: Indian music, jazz, classical, Occidental, Oriental, Persian, whatever. So African, Brazil, everything. And I feel like when I compose, something comes out, my own voice, my own vibe, and that's my music. That's why I'm playing with everybody from all this planet, and that's the result of a great thing, I hope. No?
njegove na trenutke magične glasbe smo zaključili še eno okarino. Po koncu smo govorili tudi z Leom Ličofom, ki nam je med drugim povedal, da na začetku ustvarjanja tega projekta niti slutil ni, da bo festival doživel takšen uspeh. 29. izvedbo festivala Okarina ste pripeljali do konca. Kaj lahko porečete o letošnjem festivalu?
Ja, res sem vesel iz srca, sem vesel, da smo izbrali tako dobre predstavnike za na oder, dobre glasbenike in da je bilo poslušalstvo zadovoljno z našo izbiro in superlativih lahko govorim o celem festivalu. Z pomočjo Zavoda za kulturo nam je uspelo sestaviti to izredno kvalitetno zasedbo in verjamem, da je to en korak naprej v kulturnem dogajanju Bleda in da je to prava pot, v katero se usmerjamo in da upam, da bo tudi 30. festival naslednjo leto prinesel prav tako zanimive stvari in torej v pričakovanju naslednjega festivala ostajam zadovoljen z letošnjim.
Poletja brez okarine si na Bledu že več ne znamo predstavljati. Z leta v leto festival in organizatorji ostajajo zvesti sami sebi, zato lahko z gotovostjo trdimo eno. Spet nas bodo razvajali s kvalitetno glasbo in odličnimi izvajalci. Za kaj več pa bomo morali počakati do naslednjega poletja.